Alice here from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is March 23, 2022. I will be analyzing ZIP, which the SX code is Z1P, and sharing with you why I believe this could be a good opportunity to look into ZIP and perhaps put that on a portfolio. Let's have a look. Just want to remind, this is not a financial advice, it's just us from BG Trading sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks. So if you like the content, please share this video with someone that you believe it could be helping, and also obviously hit the like button and subscribe the channel. So guys, let's just quick one first. We had incredibly good week with EV stocks. And if you're not yet member of BG Trading Buy Grow Sell Strategy for Share Traders Facebook community, I don't know why you're waiting for, because that is the place that we put a lot of great quality content, analysis videos for non-subscribers. And then obviously we have our VIP membership program and our online course. Today we just managed to achieve 44%. That's all trades made together with our VIP members. You can see our results. Then RENASCOR resources as well, 22%. Then ARGOSY Minerals is 29%. The all stocks that I have been sharing about in this channel. If you have been following us long enough, you will see. And then obviously our most favorite stock, Core Lithium, which has been incredibly profitable for us, and many other opportunities as well that we have achieved the targets and the results that we are looking for. Now, ZIP, why I'm looking into ZIP? First of all, because back in 2020 and 2021, we did a lot of trades with ZIP. In fact, our best trade was with ZIP, which we managed to achieve 160%. And this is in one of our videos. Just take a look. And then we're looking to understand what is the behavior of the stock at the moment, provided that ZIP has been potentially oversold. And I'm going to show you why. On the back of a sell-off of the tech stocks, the buy now, pay later emerging competition, and all the major facts that has contributed for ZIP to decline quite a lot. A lot of investors and traders lost faith on ZIP. But at the moment, I believe this could be exactly an opportunity to shift a little bit money from EV, because you know that things don't always keep going up, although there are some great demand for EV stocks. We believe that we could be soon due for another correction, and that correction would be very important to prior this correction for us to lock in some profits. In fact, we have been locking profits with our VIP members on EV stocks. Now, a couple very interesting facts that are a little bit backing up my decision of buying ZIP is, first of all, the company has recently raised capital, so it's well funded at the moment. And obviously that's to do with the acquisition of SAYONA. The acquisition of SAYONA itself, which will bring a lot of advantage for both companies now, and also we've seen some director buying stock back of ZIP. And there are minor indications that we could see a potential rebound in this stock. But not just that. If we now jump straight to the technical analysis, we can see why I think a lot of people are frustrated, and then why I believe this could be a great opportunity is because ZIP is trading at the moment 89% below its all-time high. Right, the fundamentals of the company always been the same. They've been. I have to agree with you guys that they have been smashing the EBITDA in order to finance further acquisition. But the truth is, the company is now stronger than ever, despite the interest rates hikes in US, which we already know now. The US will be looking at, the Fed is looking at increasing another a 6 time, and then the market already digests that, and then look now, the market is looking at migrating back to this type of company. Now we're seeing other IT like tech stocks going up, but what we see here in ZIP is a very interesting support line. Although support line for us, what we call hypothetical support line, is not the doesn't work by itself. But when we're trading ZIP back in 2020 and 2021, we had these massive spikes on the stock price. There's a lot of hype on the buy now pay later, and then that's when we did most of our trades. And then we did a couple of trades here as well in 2021. But then after that, if you look back in the videos, just search for YouTube on our channel, search for ZIP. You will see that we had this the stock trading into this range, this channel from $6.50 to $8.50 sort of thing. And then obviously our last entry, we took a stop loss at $6. And then again, that confirms the effectiveness of the strategy. If you haven't taken the stop loss at $6, we would be holding a 74% loss. So this is why it's so important to stick with strategy. So we have taken the stop loss, but now the stock is trading 73% lower than our stop loss. Then also the stock's trading 78% below the last bearish intersection. The stock is also trading 35% below the SMA. It gives us a what we call technically discounted price if we buy at the current levels. Obviously, the trend is still down. When I say that the stock is in downtrend, we haven't seen the key technical elements that indicates that confirms a reversal. Okay, despite I'm confident and I'm willing to take a risk here that we might be looking at a reversal here. So now, if you look into dip on this formation here, still in line with this, and then again, like we're trying to pick this very solid support, sort of a hypothetical support, and buying at these very low levels based on the macro environment now being the investors are now more confident about tech stocks. We've seen some funds coming back into the sector, and we also have an indication of high volumes to the upside, which is pretty much what we're looking at in terms of BG trading and BGS20 strategy indicators. And also we have a green candle to the upside. So few indications that we could at least make some nice 30% out of a trade at this current level. I see a lot more upside than the downside, but again, the market doesn't offer guarantees, and therefore we need to stick with the strategy and set up a non-stop loss here, just in case. So it's important not to only have a target, but also stop loss. So I'll need to set up stop loss just under this channel here, just so you know. This normally is information that we offer to our VIP members, but we sometimes want to share so you can see the way that we work. And then obviously the target for us, we're going to put a target here right just under or at this the SMA, the red line, which would give us still a nice 40% profit. And still would be trading at a technically discounted price. And that's why we wanted to be buying any stock at a technically discounted price or below, basically, essentially on under the SMA. Now, key elements to confirm that our theory will be correct, will be confirmed potential upside is what we want to see is we want to see this yellow line bending up, and then also we want to see candles. We have this bullish intersection level 1, but then we saw some other similar bullish intersection there, as you can see, but we have a bullish intersection level 1 here, and then the stock was a struggle to fall, and then we have a pretty good day today. And then we potentially will have another green candle tomorrow. What we don't want it to have is, we don't want to have a big red candle tomorrow. And if that happens, then obviously then we potentially not even going to take a stop, to wait all the way to stop loss. But we will obviously reappraisal the situation, see the volume and everything. But at this stage, I'm confident that we could see the stock back to both $2, and if that's so, then we'll be doing our 40% plus, and that's all we want. That's all we want is locking 20 to 40% with our strategy. So this is my thoughts on ZIP. Let us know what you think. And I mostly concentrate my analysis into the technical aspect of the stock, provided that the fundamentals is still pretty much the same was before, but the macro environment and the fact that it was oversold gives me a confidence that we could definitely see some money shifting back to the sector, especially to this leading player in Australia. And not to mention the platform, Zip's platform, it's a breakthrough. It's a really well put together platform, far better in my personal opinion. I'm not using those platforms, but I actually have it on my mobile phone to check, and for me it's far better platform than Afterpay. And again, you see similar business models like this with credit cards going on for decades, for centuries. So I don't think this company will fall. I mean, like when I say fall, will go under. I think this is still is being severely punished by investors, but I think there is some more upside now than a downside. So I'm hoping to be right, and I'll see you in the next video. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand, and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.